I'm Marna. Happy Labor Day if you're in the United States of America. This is kind of our official last day of summer here. Actually, it's September 21st, but everything closes as of today. All the summer fun, like swimming pools and such, so Barbie's still in her swimsuit. Today is pick contest winners, and I get excited about those. It's really fun for me, and just so you know, a little heads up, we have a lot of more hidden giveaway videos coming your way. Here's the clarification. Any of my subscribers can win. Doesn't matter if you won yesterday, doesn't matter if I pull your name twice when we do the winners videos, doesn't matter. If you're a subscriber and on the video where I'm giving something away, you have left a comment, you're in to win. Let's get to it. First, we have the guitar. The guitar will fit either an 18-inch doll, such as Our Generation, My Life as, American Girl, those type dolls, or the larger BJDs, and there's probably other dolls that I'm not thinking of. But anyway, who won this guitar? One thing I'm going to ask, the winners need to email me at marna@dollsrescue.com. If you put capital letters in the subject line, I'll see it faster. I will need your address and your preference on color, or if you would like the screws put in for the ribbon holders of your guitar. Now, who won? I love AG Dolls 29. Congratulations. Let us know on the little guitar. Our next hidden giveaway was for the Barbie Stands. Who won that? J Dolls UK. What you did not know is when we got off camera, Darren and I decided to have 2 winners for that particular item. I love these Barbie stands and I like to share. So the second winner is Unicorn Rainbows Toys and Dolls. Please contact me. Then we had the 3-inch art trolls. Now these come to you without hairs, without the eyes painted. It's an art troll. They are 3-inch tall. They are made on the 3D printer by Darren. I need to know the color you want, and you will get a little piece of sandpaper to finish off the back. And our winner for that is Forever Baby Darla Loves Dolls. Wait, she already told me. She wants purple. Then we had the BJD gold mugs. Oh, I love, love, love these little mugs. Darren's made them in several colors for me. I think they're cute. They look like they're sipping hot chocolate or whatever. Right now, as we speak, if you hear that humming in the background, Darren is working on a tea set for me, and I'm excited about that. And if I were you, when I have BJD videos, I'd come watch, because you never know when there's a hidden giveaway. Who won the gold mug? That is going out to Wanderlust Productions. Congratulations. Again, please email me with your address, and I will get these out to you within a couple days of hearing from you, weather permitting, because we do ride our bikes to the post office. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching all of our videos. Thank you to each and every subscriber that has subscribed to our channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.